start way up at the top there.
U.
Okay, now it's got a short sound. So do you know what the short sound says?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay. Go to the next one. Point. If you're not sure, you could tell me I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
A.
Say that one again.
A.
Okay.
O.
Okay, it's got a short mark. You know what that means?
A.
What is it?
A.
What do you think you know about the sounds that you see up here?
Not that much.
You're not.
I don't know.
Okay.
R. O. Oi.
Which one's oi? Loud, okay?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, then skip that one. Go to the next one.
Any.
Any, okay. Next one.
Airy.
Airy, okay.
Y.
All right, now do you know what, that's the name of the letter. Do you know what the sound is?
What?
What?